What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and in this video, I want to give you an update on my crypto mining rig. I have made several adjustments to how it operates, and I've drastically improved the ROI and the profit per day on this machine. So in this video, I want to share with you all of the numbers, all of the changes that I've made, and I'm also using a brand new camera to film this video. So if you notice any changes, please let me know whether you like them or you dislike them. Let me know if you notice any changes in the quality of the footage, and please leave a comment down below. I sincerely appreciate it. Now let's jump right in. We're going to start with the Bitcoin miner, and I'm going to walk you through some of the changes that I've made, and then I'm going to show you the ROI and the performance and how well it's doing right now. Here we go. Okay, you guys, so this is my crypto mining rig. As you can see, I've got two 3080 Ti graphics cards operating on a motherboard, a power supply, an open frame, and some fans. Pretty simple setup here. And in the last video, I was running on a platform called NiceHash. Now, if you're just getting started in mining or you're just getting set up, NiceHash is great, but it's not the most profitable. And so I have switched over to a different platform called T-Rex Miner, because T-Rex Miner allows me to mine two different cryptos at the same time. So if you look here closely, I'm currently mining ERGO on two different cards at about 160 mega hashes per second. And I'm also mining Ethereum at the exact same time at about 43 and 44 mega hashes per second. So the advantage here is that I can now mine two cryptos at the exact same time, getting full capacity out of my graphics cards and making a little bit more money. And in the next clip, I'm gonna break that down for you and show you exactly what it looks like. All right, you guys, so now I wanna walk you through the two different dashboards that tell me exactly how well my miner is doing. And so the first dashboard here is ethermine.org. And as you can see, it's projecting me to make about $7.10 USD per day. It owes me $17 so far, and I have received three payouts of $28, $24, and $24 USD so far. And so really nice setup here. I'm also mining ERGO. This is the other dashboard right now. And as you can see, I've got about 91 cents in the bank account, or in the amount owing right now. I'm averaging about $8.71 USD per day. And my payouts so far, I have had 9 payouts for about 1 ERGO in each of those payouts. And it's nice, it's coming in almost 1 per day, which is fairly steady. And so this is great, but what I want to do now is show you exactly what the numbers look like after electricity and what they look like combined. And I live in Canada, so I'm going to convert everything into Canadian, but the exchange rate is about 1.25 to the US dollar right now. Okay, so here's the spreadsheet that I walked you through in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check out the link down below. It walks you through how I built the miner. But basically, I was making about $12.32 per day on NiceHash, and my electricity cost over that time period was $1.12 per day. Now, when I did the math on it and I factored in the cost of the machine, that cost me $5,887. I was making $12.32 per day. That means my ROI was 478 days, or about 76% ROI on a 1-year basis. And now here is the new math. And so here is my projected revenue from these software. So let's plug this in. If I go back to my dashboard here, click on dashboard, it's saying that I'm going to make $7.10 here, and it's saying that I'm going to make $8.71 here. So let's go with 7.10 and 8.71. That gives us a total revenue per day of $15.81 USD. I convert that into Canadian dollars by timesing it by 1.25 and then subtracting my electricity cost. That gives me a projected revenue based on the softwares of $18.64 of profit per day. Now that is pretty good, and luckily I've actually recorded all of the numbers. So this is the projected revenue, and this is the real revenue down here. So this is the real numbers of how much money I have made since October 28th. And so it is slightly different from the projected numbers, but I want to give you the comparison here, because don't rely on the projected numbers from NiceHash or any of these softwares. Just budget for it being like 10 to 15% lower. At least that's my experience. Okay, so in total, since October 28th, I'm filming this on the afternoon of November 11th. So it's been 12 or 13 days. And the Ethereum mined in that time period was 0.01936 Ethereum. Today's value of Ethereum in Canadian dollars is $59.79. So my total Ethereum mined in Canadian dollars is $115. Now, when it comes to ERGO, I have mined 8.9 ERGO in the time period that I took this screenshot. Today's value is $12.41 Canadian, meaning that I've mined $111 worth of ERGO in the exact same time period. Now, when you add up 111 and 115, that gives me a total Canadian dollars of $227.37. There's been 13 days that I've been mining, and that means that my revenue per day is $17.49. My electricity per day is $1.12, which means my actual profit is $16.37, and that is up dramatically from the $12.32 that it was when I was using NiceHash. That's literally a 30 or 35% increase in my profit per day. And when we plug this number of 1637 into our profitability spreadsheet, this is really, really nice, because now my ROI is quite literally 359 days, which means we are getting our money back in under 1 year. My ROI is 101%, and I can't think of very many other investments that will give you 100% of your money back in under 1 year. So I'm super stoked on this. I'm pretty happy with it. I knew I was going to get some improvements by switching away from NiceHash, but I did not think they would be this dramatic. Now, at the same time, I do think some of this positive momentum here and some of the improvements is due to the increase in cryptocurrencies. That is definitely a factor to consider here, but we're looking at about a 30% move, which is really, really nice to see. It is great for me, and now I'm making $16.37 per day in profit from this Bitcoin miner that I spent $5,800 on. That's a pretty good return on investment in my mind, and I'm pretty happy with this. And so these are my real numbers. This is my true transparent investment. And if you get any value out of this video, the only thing that I am asking for you is to click that like and subscribe button. I sincerely appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this, turn on that notification bell as well. And if you're looking for any resources to get started in crypto, see my trades, see my investments, and see what I am doing, I have everything linked down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I actually got the suggestion for dual mining on T-Rex Miner from one of the viewers and one of my supporters. So I sincerely appreciate it. If you guys have any other suggestions, video topics that you want to see, anything like that, please let me know. And if you like the video quality here, I am using a new camera. Please let me know if the video quality is better, if it's worse, if the audio sucks, whatever it is, please let me know about it. I want to know, I want to improve, and I want to give you guys better videos. So thank you guys so much for the support, and we'll talk to you soon.